1. No cold air, likely one of these. Faulty control board. Screen blank, unresponsive buttons. Refrigerant leak. Hissing noise may occur. Never bend copper tubes. Faulty compressor. Touch the unit bottom. No vibration. Solution. Contact the staff for repair or replacement. 2. Alarm codes and reasons. Cabinet temperature sensor is open or short-circuited. HH. High temperature warning LL. Low temperature warning. Communication error. During L or L alarms, the unit enters cycle refrigeration. 20 minutes running and 40 minutes stopped until the fault is cleared. 3. Lights out? Try this first. 1. Is the unit properly plugged in? Test with another power outlet. 2. Flashlight inspection. Dark spots on the light panel.